over this.
I've got diff locks on that then.
Nah, no diff locks. Oh, he does it unassisted. Almost. Race to the top. Oh. Easy, wheel up. Oh, and he's made it. He's made it. Do you reckon he can crawl it off of this little rocky bit here? Oh. Uh-oh.
Wonder how much suspension is funny.
Hey. Slow, low range. Uh-oh. Oh, he's done it, he's done it. He's done it. Oh, nearly, so close. Ouch. You're on wheels. Kinda. X-Maxx to the rescue! Oh no! Cheers, dude. Oh look, do you reckon we could get up there and then backflip it off that ledge at the top?
You maybe.
Ready? Ready? Look! Look! Oh!
Front bumper.
Oh yes! Oh! Oh, look at the state of the body! Oh, look at that! Let's put a hole in the side of it. Look, let's put a hole in the side.
Oh! See, this is the man who said he weren't breaking anything. He's been here 5 minutes. Come on, let's go home. Go home, Dad, you're pissed. You're drunk, Dad, get off. Come on. It's caught me.
Yeah. He's been released.
Probably slammed the tree, what a log.
Alright, so we set a little challenge. What we got to do is get up there. Doesn't matter any way you want, you can get up there. You're just not allowed to touch it with anything. You've got to get your RC to touch the fence that's up there. Do you accept the challenge?
I accept that I might fail.
The only time you're allowed to touch it is when it falls over. No, not that way.
Oh, now you're bringing out to me.
Oh my God. Oh!
I've gone in a bad hole. Bringing it out. Oh, that's a pressure now.
Go!
Oh, there's a tree.
Excuses, excuses. Bad workman always blames his tools. Oh look, here's a route. All we gotta do is touch that fence. Oh, he's getting close. Yeah. Oh yes, I've done it. Go on then, you can still come second.
Oh shit!
Hey! You can see from here, guys, that is steep. That is nearly vertical. But he's gone for the bit that's not vertical.
Come on, you see what happened last time.
Nice controlled descent there. Pat, having a go with the X-Maxx?
Uh-oh. Get that one for me, mate. Shit, this is going to be the fastest car I've ever driven.
Don't destroy it, dude. It is pretty rapid.
Oh, Jesus. How'd you stop? What the?
Running 8S, ladies.
Sorry, mate. I'm not used to this, mate.
I think we've got to put it into diaper mode, as the Americans would say, nappy mode.
Yeah, that's what the hell? Oh, that's some fun. I've got to get one now.
Yeah.
Next one.
Next one. Pat's been bitten by the RC bug.
Oh, I have indeed. Deep.
What do you reckon then? First go of the X-Maxx.
Yeah, strong. I just punched it into a tree.
Missed.
Missed that one. With a gap, so it's more of a gap.
Marco on the X-Maxx again, boys. Oh! Look at this body shell, guys. This is the second time out with it and it's trashed. Absolutely trashed. This is why we run the RC Maniacs indestructible body shells. We look at that. All right, Pat's just set a little challenge. So apparently we got to start here. That's falling over. X-Maxx has got knackered fans again. Trouble is, X-Maxx is too wide.
We've got to get off here, so. Yeah!
Oh, maybe.
Oh, he's down.
Well, I done it, but I cheated. Having a good attempt though. Ready for self-right button?